when I raided my studio for this box of tubes, I always have them stored sideways like that in the studio so that the tubes are stored horizontally. That helps to distribute any of that gooey stuff that happens in the tube. It distributes it along the tube instead of having, if you store it up like that for a year until you've used it again, then the gooey stuff that stops the paint from drying in the tube floats up to the top and sits up here. So you'll open the tube up and then you'll squeeze out all this oily stuff. So if you store them horizontally, it will allow it to stay mixed in a little bit better.